Every video you've watched so far, that's an American AI voice I picked off a list. Today I'm showing you how I tried cloning my real one live on screen and exactly what happened when I did. If you're new here, I'm IJ. I teach non-technical people how to actually use AI tools, not the hype, the real step-by-step. From the beginning, my videos have used a voice I chose from ElevenLabs' default library. It sounds fine. It's just not me. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to clone your own voice. The entire process, including what I learned from doing it myself. Here's the thing nobody tells you when you start faceless content. Your voice is part of your brand even if your face isn't on screen. A generic AI voice works to get started, but if you want people to actually trust you, recognize you, remember you, your real voice does that in a way a stock voice can't. So even if you don't switch right away, it's worth knowing how. Right, let's do this together. I'm on the ElevenLabs homepage. Step 1, click Clone Your Voice, then Instant Voice Clone. Step 2, you need a clean audio sample. I'm live reading a short script for about 30 seconds, no background noise, no music. Then press Next. And that's it, generated just like that. Now preview the voice, give it a name, and confirm you have the rights to clone it. That last part's required. Just so you know, even 30 seconds is on the shorter end. ElevenLabs usually recommends longer for the cleanest result, but I wanted to show you the fastest version first. Here's what to get right before you even start this step. The biggest mistake people make here is using a noisy or low-quality clip. Quiet room, decent microphone, just talk naturally. Don't read in a flat robotic tone trying to sound clean. Talk how you'd talk to a friend. The AI clones your natural rhythm, not just your accent. I'm not going to pretend this is perfect. First clones can sound slightly flat, and you'll likely want to regenerate once or twice to get the tone right. And here's the honest bit. Listening back to my own cloned voice just didn't sit right with me, and that's normal. Your own voice played back can sound like someone else entirely. That's exactly how it felt to me. So I tried enhancing it. In your voice library, go to My Voices and choose your pre-recorded voice. Select Remix Voice and add a prompt describing what you'd like to change. It'll generate a few options. Play them back. If none of them land, generate a few more. Once you find a version you like, save it to your My Voices library and download it. I went through this process a few times, and honestly, I still don't love the sound of my own voice played back. So for now, I'm sticking with the ElevenLabs voice you've heard in every video so far. That might change down the line, but I'd rather tell you the truth than pretend I switched when I haven't. You'll need ElevenLabs Starter Plan or above for instant voice cloning. The free tier doesn't include it. It's a paid step, not a free one, and I want to be upfront about that. The starter plan is $6 a month. But if you do like the sound of your own cloned voice, even an imperfect one builds more trust with an audience than a stock voice does. So that's the full process. Clone it, preview it, remix it if needed, decide for yourself if it's right for your content. For me, the verdict's still out. But now you know exactly how to try it for yourself. If you want to try this yourself, the link to ElevenLabs is in the description. And if you want my free AI toolkit with every tool I actually use, that's in the description too. Subscribe if you want to keep learning this stuff one honest step at a time. Next video, I'm showing you exactly how to create your own avatar with HeyGen. See you in the next one.